A blackout bingo timer that stays frozen usually points to a game session, connection, or app sync problem rather than the timer itself. By the end, you'll know which settings to check when the countdown stays on the same number, stops completely, or doesn't match the tournament screen. Start by completely closing Blackout Bingo and reopening it. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe Blackout Bingo away. On Android, open Recent Apps and dismiss Blackout Bingo. Then launch the game again and check whether the timer starts counting down. If the timer is still frozen, test your connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to a reliable Wi-Fi connection. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent the game from receiving updated session information. Next, check for an available Blackout Bingo update. On iPhone, open the App Store and search for Blackout Bingo. On Android, open Google Play and search for the app. If an update button appears, install it, and then restart the game. If you're using Android, clearing the Blackout Bingo cache is another step worth trying. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Blackout Bingo, choose Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without using the Clear Data option. If you're on iPhone, there isn't a standard button that clears an individual app's cache. Instead, you can check iPhone storage and use Offload app if the option is available. This removes the app while keeping its documents and data, allowing you to reinstall it without immediately choosing a full deletion. Don't repeatedly tap the timer or keep entering and leaving the same game while it's frozen. First, restart the app and confirm that the countdown is actually updating. Also check whether other live information is working. If tournament results, game status, or other changing screens are also stuck, that points more toward a synchronization problem than a timer-specific issue. If the timer remains frozen while everything else works normally, take a screenshot showing the timer and the surrounding game screen. Contact Blackout Bingo support and describe exactly where the countdown stops. The practical order is simple. Force close Blackout Bingo, switch networks, check for an update, clear the Android cache if applicable, and then use support if the timer still refuses to update. The key points are that a frozen timer can be caused by synchronization, connection problems, or an outdated app, and restarting the game is the safest first step. Try those checks before reinstalling Blackout Bingo. If this fixed your timer problem, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting fixes.